Hello students, welcome to Vipin Sharma Physics channel. Here is your teacher Vipin Sharma with you. Dear students, we are fast approaching towards examination and we have lot of doubts. The Vipin Sharma Physics channel is going to solve the weekend doubts of the students. Simply WhatsApp your doubt at 98141 21996 and your sir will be with you. Right? You may ask, what is the fees for doubts? No fees, my dear. But don't think that if I am not charging any fees, it's not worth. Compare it with any expensive coaching center. 21 होगा, 19 नहीं होगा. It will be a challenging session and I'll give you my best. 21. It is not 19 as compared to your expensive coaching center. Why to waste money? Stay home, study. So, WhatsApp my 9th class students, my 10th class students, my 11th class students, my 12th class student. Bye-bye. Thank you. Abey, what are you looking at me, Just open 9 at 1 for 1, 2, 1, 9 and 6. Just say hi to Vipin sir and send your physics doubt. Okay.